Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Zimist Coded, where we solve tech challenges together to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a common but frustrating issue. That moment when you just want to view a PDF in your browser, but instead it's automatically downloaded by Internet Download Manager, IDM, or even by your browser settings. If you've been dealing with this annoyance, you're in the right place. We'll go through 2 easy fixes to keep those PDFs from auto-downloading and ensure they open right in your browser where they belong. Let's dive in. Today, we're focusing on Google Chrome, but you'll be able to apply these tips to other browsers as well. Let's first see what this issue looks like in action. Let's walk through a typical scenario. I'm working on a project, and when I hit Generate Report, I expect the PDF report to open smoothly in the browser, but let's see what actually happens. Here we go, clicking Generate Report. And what do you know? Instead of opening right here in the browser, IDM takes control and starts downloading it. All right, let's save the file, then open it to view. But hang on, this isn't what we wanted. Our goal was to view the PDF directly in the browser, not to download it and open it afterward. Now that we've confirmed the problem, let's get to the solutions. Solution Part 1: Preventing IDM from forcing PDF downloads. The first thing we'll tackle is IDM's overenthusiasm for downloading PDFs. Here's how to stop IDM from forcing PDF downloads. 1. Open IDM from your taskbar, desktop, or wherever you usually access it. 2. Go to the Download menu and select Options. 3. This opens up the IDM configuration dialog. Now navigate to the File Types tab. For here you'll see a list of all the file extensions IDM automatically downloads, including PDF. 5. To stop IDM from downloading PDFs, simply remove PDF from this list. Alright, let's go back to our browser and try generating the report again to see if IDM is still trying to download the PDF. Clicking Generate Report, and boom! This time, IDM doesn't prompt us to download it. But there's a new issue. Now the browser itself is forcing the download. If you're like most users, you probably won't see this problem. With IDM out of the way, the PDF will typically open in the browser. But if you're still having trouble, don't worry. We've got one last step to fix this once and for all. Solution Part 2: Preventing browser-forced PDF downloads. Now let's stop Chrome from forcing PDF downloads too. Follow these steps. 1. In Chrome, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner, your menu. 2. From the drop-down, select Settings. 3. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. 4. Choose Site Settings. 5. Scroll down further to find additional content settings. You may need to expand it. 6. Click on PDF Documents. 7. Under Browser Behavior, select Open PDFs in Chrome instead of Download PDFs. This setting tells Chrome to open PDFs directly in the browser, which is actually the default setting. In my case, it was accidentally switched to download mode, but with this change, Chrome will now open PDFs in a browser tab without downloading them. Let's test it one last time to make sure everything's working smoothly. I'll click on Generate Report. And voila, the PDF now opens perfectly in the browser, just like we wanted. And there you have it. We've solved a 2-part problem. First, we stopped IDM from forcing PDF downloads, and then we tweaked Chrome's settings to make sure PDFs open seamlessly in the browser. Now, you can enjoy quick in-browser viewing without any interruptions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it saved you some hassle today. Thanks for watching Zimist Coded. I'll see you in the next one.